Hey, how you doing, everybody? It's Pete at the Music Gallery doing a short little demo with the Sebago today. This is the 25 watt with reverb combo. We're in the clean side over here. And really how these Dumble-esque type amps work has a lot to do with the these preamp switches right here, bright, medium, and rock. It changes how the preamp works, the treble, mid, and bass. This is your input here, master volume. So we'll just turn on the rock switch. I'll turn it off and then turn it on so you can hear the difference. Makes it a little thicker sounding, fatter sounding, mid-range. Bright switch. See, we're getting a nice bit of sustain right here at low volume. So that really ups the input gain too when you're playing with those switches. That's with the switches down. So you can kind of build your own characteristic of how, you know, you've got an idea of an amp in your head like a Vox. So I'll just kick up the mid-range in AC30. Gives you that Voxy sound, that, you know, EL84 thing with the mid-range up and the bright and the bass down. So when you're playing with those combinations, it really changes how the amp sounds pretty drastically. Go to the dirty side. And then there's a boost. It's like a 10 dB boost. There's a little mid-range to it, so it kind of smooths out the distortion at the same time. Here it is without the boost. With the boost. So that even changes the characteristic of the amp. So that's why these amps, this kind of platform is so desirable and so sought after, because it's so flexible. So we're pretty low volume right now too, and the reverb's on about 2. The nice thing is on the dirty side, you can even, it still cleans up really nice, and you can still hear the guitar instead of just the amp, the characteristic of the guitar. So that's the distortion channel with the boost on. Just turn down here at the guitar. And you can still hear how crystal clear and organic it sounds, just like the guitar, when it's in the clean channel. Awesome amp, Sebago Double Trouble 25 watt. It's 6 V6s instead of the 6 L6s, and it's still plenty loud for gigging. And you see, even plays and sounds excellent at really super low volumes, like bedroom volumes. So come on by and check it out here at the Music Gallery in Highland Park, Illinois. We'd love to show it to you, show you around, and help you out with anything we can. Thanks. See you next time.